Saving feels safe. It's like wrapping your money in bubble wrap and tucking it in a drawer. But what if that safety's actually holding you back? Bauserman, financial planner and certified CHFC, breaks down the difference between saving and investing, and how confusing the two could quietly cost you big. Bauserman says it best: saving is like stockpiling seeds in a barn. Investing? That's when you plant them and let them grow. One preserves, one multiplies. If your goal's 10 or 20 years out, like retirement or college, stashing money in a savings account might actually lose you money to inflation. Bauserman says you're not wrong to be cautious, but you could be missing out big time if you're not letting long-term money grow. His rule of thumb? Save for stuff in the next few years, like emergencies or that Italy trip. But if you won't need it for a decade or two, let it ride and grow in the market. The takeaway? Safety has its place, but if you want to build real wealth, don't just stash your cash. Get intentional. Save short. Invest long. Repeat. Got a money question? Head to gobankingrates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.